Welcome everyone. We are exploring the key players shaping IT industry, IT service management certification worldwide. This table is in front of you categorizing these players in four essential groups, each contributing to ITSM standardization and professional development. So let's discuss this into more detail. 20,000 starting. Okay, so firstly, we have some individual qualifications. We have organizations that provide certifications for professionals seeking expertise in ITSM. So we have URS, APMG, Axen, PECV, TUV, and People Cert, focusing in training professionals at different levels like foundation, practitioner, and auditor. Their certifications help IT professionals enhance their skills and gain credibility and advance their careers. Next, we have entities responsible for certifying organizations against ISO IEC 20000-1. These organizations include BSI UK, Quality Austria, JQA Japan, KFQ Korea, and SAI Global, that is based in different countries, who provide corporate level certification enabling businesses to align their IT services with internationally accepted practices. Their audits and certifications help organizations achieve operational efficiency and also market recognition. Then we have the third level, that is the auditor training and certification. Since it's a specialized training, we have bifurcated that, and within this we have organizations like PECB, BSI, DNB, and SGS. These organizations and others also provide professional courses based on some accreditation like IRCA or Exemplar Global. These trainings ensure auditors are well equipped to conduct ITSM assessments and drive continual improvement. Some of these organizations are themselves accredited. Finally, we have ISO and IIF, the global entities overseeing the adoption of ISO IC 20000. They also conduct surveys and reports on the worldwide implementation of the ITCM, ITSM certifications, uh, tracking the market trends and their impact. So their insights also help organizations understand the global certification benchmark and industry developments. Understanding these key players allow professionals and organizations to navigate ITSM certifications effectively, ensure compliance, and strengthen industry presence. So this was all about this. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss the various parts in the family of ISO 20000.